Now that you have created a program, let's add in a linear weld node. We will click on BotX. This brings you to your home screen. Under Add New, we will click Weld. We will click on the Weld header, and this will bring you to your how-to screen. We're going to use the approach to maneuver the robot around fixturing, and we'll put that about 6 inches away from the weld start. To move the robot, we will use the black button, our black free drive button, to move the robot to where we want to create that approach point. We will give it a short press to create that first approach, and you can use as many approaches as you need. We will then do a long press to move into weld start on the pendant. I will then place the robot where I want the weld to start, give it a short press, and then give it a long press to move into the weld path. Now wherever you want your weld path to end, we'll give it a short press. That saves us linear 1 within our pendant. Press and hold into that exit, and just like those approaches, we're going to use it to move the robot away from our weld piece. Now that we have created our linear weld, we are going to play the program. I will hit play at the bottom of the screen, play from robot program, and now I'm going to hit the green blinking start button on the button box. And that is how we create a linear weld.